Growing demand for jobs in the science, technology, engineering, and math fields. Some are getting an early head start. So we're talking as early as 3 or 4 years old, folks. The Now's Ray Daniel takes us to Operation Breakthrough, where some of its youngest students are getting a hands-on approach.
As a 4-year-old, it's hard to say no to Legos or playing games on the computer. But the activities these early learners are doing are a bit more unique.
It involves their creativity, becoming critical thinkers. You know, sometimes we'll pose a problem, other times kids will work and learn a skill.
It's going your way. Not go all the way up there.
Here at Operation Breakthrough, they're learning more about the STEM fields through these activities in both this smart lab and the makerspace.
We have a hacking bench that you saw back here, in which kids are really getting messy with things. They're taking apart, figuring out how they work, so then they can start creating their own versions, maybe a better version, or just trying to figure out how to put it back together.
Did we mention they're learning to code too?
Final test.
That's what young Michael is doing now. While it may have been a little difficult at first, he eventually got it.
Kept coming back, and then boom.
I did it.
And these achievements go beyond these classroom walls.
The last 2 years, we've actually sent over 90% of the kids ready for kindergarten, and that's compared to a national average of less than 50% for kids in poverty.
70% of the families the organization serves live at about 50% of the poverty line.
What we're here to do is to say it doesn't matter what your zip code is or what's happening. You know, every child deserves that opportunity to reach their full potential.
Through communication, collaboration, and critical thinking, these young students are preparing their futures while still being a kid and having fun. In Kansas City, Ray Daniel, the Now KC.
That young Michael, he's going to be something, I can tell. Operation Breakthrough leaders say as the children become older, they get to build and create even bigger projects related to these STEM fields.